good to see you. I hope you are doing well this fine, fine day. Beautiful day. But what is going to make this day even better, in my mind? I'll tell you, it's because you and me are going to draw together. Now, what we're going to draw, all right, you ready for this? We are going to draw a cartoon pig with personality. Doesn't that sound nice? Yeah. How do we do this? Well, I'm going to take you. I'm going to start out. If you're just a beginner drawer, just getting into this, you want to learn more about drawing. Well, today is your day to learn something, and hopefully even more than just the learning. I hope that you can be encouraged, inspired to keep on with it. All right? If you want to be great at anything, it just means every day, step by step, trying your best. And when you do that, your best gets better and better and better. But I'm also going to teach for those who are, you just love drawing and you draw all the time. Well, I'm gonna teach a few principles that hopefully you can grab and add into your repertoire. Actually stretch yourself down the road of getting better. And then I'm going to do a third pig. And the third pig is going to be everything I got into that pig. If you're one of those that, hey, this is your game, this is what you do, there's always something to glean. So I'm going to give you ideas of what you can add and things that you can look for when drawing. That's going to make your work all the better. All right, come with me. Let's do this thing. So we're going to draw a pig, a wondrous pig. They come in all shapes and sizes and features. They're hilarious. But we're going to start by drawing a basic version. I want you to just follow along and try and draw what I draw. So there's a little circle there. All right. I'm not worrying about the circle being perfect. I'm not going to draw another circle in there. Look at this. What do we have there? What does that look like? Yeah, it looks like a snout, doesn't it? Now we're going to bring in two more eyes. Look at that. What do you think of that? Huh? And then let's bring in two circles for the eyes. All right. Pretty simple. Now do a square. Now you'll see how I do this basic version. It's a lot of circles, squares. Heck, let's do a triangle. Triangle. And then let's do another circle. Huh? Look at that. Oh, and also little, huh? You know what those are? Those are those glorious freckles. Now, let's do another circle right here. Oh, how about another triangle? Huh? You like that? Now, what we're going to do is we're going to draw a body. See how I was doing a circle? I just end up right there. This is pretty simple. And then I'm going to do, look at this. See if you can replicate something like that. All right, what is that, you wonder? Well, let's do this and then that. This is a little hoof. And then what I want you to do is this. See if you can go all the way across here. And what is this? Look at that. This, my friends, is a belt. All right. And we shouldn't forget the little curly cued. Okay. See how I'm doing this? Now you can pause anytime, come back, and draw. Now this is just giving you a simple idea. Now, you thought this was a bow tie, didn't you? Wrong. Watch this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. That is a cape. And this is for the amazing pig. Better put a hair on him. And then let's come in around the eyes and blacken in around them. Now, you have seen something that nobody else has ever seen. And you know what that is? That is the true identity of our amazing pig. All right. So there we go. This, my friends, is Pig 1. The amazing pig. All right? Now, that was fun, wasn't it? Now, that was just a lot of circles, triangles, different things. You can go back through this and draw it yourself at your pace. Was that not fun? Yeah. We had a good time, and I am so glad. I cannot wait to see what you've drawn. In fact, please email me at drawings@markludy.com. Right down there. Send me your picture. I'd love to be able to see it and share it in my next video. Also, please subscribe. Love to keep in touch with you, letting you know what other kind of lessons I might have. Till next time, have a great one, and keep that smile on.